If you're ready to see the most Instagrammable resort, come to Our Habitas in Alula, Saudi Arabia. But is it just a pretty photo? Let's see what the resort is all about. Alula is an oasis city north of Riyadh. From the capital, it is a 1.5 hour flight. Once you're in Alula Airport, it's about a 50-minute drive. Our Habitas, or our habitat, is defined as the natural home or environment of an animal, human, or other organism. So it's not surprising that the first words you hear from the lovely staff are welcome home. A luxury touch I always look for and appreciate in a lobby is being able to sit down while you check in. The reception has not missed the mark. With a large lounge area and multiple drink and snack options, Habitas ensures that no matter how difficult your journey was, you can relax now. The brand Our Habitas has 6 pillars that this hotel upholds: wellness, adventure, music, art and culture, food and beverage, and learning. After checking in, the staff invites you to a short welcome ceremony in the outdoor seating area to help get your wellness experience started, and I really enjoyed this. They ask you to envision your goal or dreams. This is a great opportunity to help you settle in and just be in the present moment. Golf carts and drivers are available 24/7 to transport you anywhere on the property. Although this hotel is boutique, it would take 30 minutes to walk from end to end. Personally, I really enjoyed walking around the property, getting my steps in, and just being able to be in that present moment soaking in the views. This canyon private villa is one of the entry-level rooms that offers close-up views of the cliffs, and I wouldn't change a thing. The open floor plan leads to a generous patio seating area, and there are no bothersome bugs, so feel free to keep the patio doors open. With an indoor and outdoor shower to choose from, one may feel a bit spoiled. And with floor-to-ceiling windows, the lighting will give you and your makeup life. The closet provides the usual amenities one would expect in a luxury hotel, but also a helmet and pads for the bicycles, showing Habitas really tried to think of everything the guests may need. This is also reflected in the generous minibar with a variety of food and drink options. A solo desk is available, and a full-size table is not necessary as in-room dining is not available here. Instead of seclusion, Habitas wants to promote community, and I love their saying, strangers become friends and friends become family. If you can't enjoy a vacation without having a table, simply upgrade to a larger villa. The restaurant on the property, called Tama, means here and now. The fresh local ingredients in the global and Mediterranean food won't want you eating anywhere else, even after 5 days. My favorite dishes were the grilled veggies, chicken shawarma, fruit and leaf smoothie, and they do have generous opening hours, so you won't have to really worry about the time too much. Breakfast is served until 12 noon, so get breakfast included with the room because you won't want to miss out. You'll get to choose from 4 set menus, along with unlimited coffee, tea, and juice. I really loved the light and hearty option, and each one was really filling. We only needed 2 meals a day. Habitas has 1 pool, and as you approach it, you'll see one of the art exhibits, which is a meditating blue figure on a rock. But the pool should be an art exhibit on its own. The Insta-worthy backdrop is exactly how I stumbled on the hotel to begin with. Conveniently located next to the bar and restaurant, you may get surprised with juice and smoothie treats throughout the day if you're relaxing here. And it is just a nice place to unwind in, as most people were lounging, but the pool never felt crowded. The cafe architecture is so breathtaking. It feels like you're in another universe. The relaxing setting is a great place to finally read that book we bring on vacation, but 99% of the time never read. To the side of the cafe is a meeting room. It has beanbags in it, which gets even better. The cafe serves as the breakout area that includes a spread of snacks for the executives. Never have I ever wanted to be in a meeting more after seeing the breakout snack options. So if you're looking for a relaxing place to work, Habitas can definitely cater to your business needs. Habitas describes its grounds as an open-air museum, and that's certainly the way it feels. The colorful balls create such a contrast amongst the desert cliffs. It's really fun to see in such a playful atmosphere. The swings are snug in towering canyon walls, but they also provide incredible views of the landscape as well. So there again is opposition with cozy private space housing the exhibit, but feeling like one is swinging into a vast open area. You may have to explore the landscape a bit to find the next feature, which is tucked into another canyon area, but the trampolines are sunk into the sand and are there to enjoy day and night. It is such an unexpected feature. The other exhibits are sculptures at the entrance, the blue Mediterranean rock figure, the most exquisite rock you've ever seen. And if you want to know more about these, you can take an art tour. With numerous complimentary activities on site, you won't want to leave, and Habitas ensures your wellness journey is completely rejuvenating. One of my favorite activities was the canyon sound bath. For astrology lovers, you can lay down in a cozy circle to see the clear night sky, hear tales and star signs from a passionate astrology expert. And Habitas also has fire ceremonies, art tours, and a cinema in the desert. The Thuraya Spa is one of the best in the area, with the goal of being the best in Saudi Arabia. The treatments are done in an external private room with views of the canyon, and it's equipped with a shower and toilet as well. Our couples massage started with a cleansing ritual, relaxing foot bath, and ended with one of the best deep tissue massages I've ever had. A massage definitely brings the wellness stay full circle. If you can't get enough of the setting, you can actually do a massage outdoors in the canyon. Habitas Alula is an unforgettable experience, and I cannot wait to come back. What are your thoughts? Would you stay here? Do you have any other questions? I want to say a huge thank you to the friendly and helpful locals, along with the amazing staff, Josie, Jihan in the spa, Mahar and Hassan in the restaurant, and all the other lovely staff whose names I didn't get a chance of getting. If you want to learn more about luxury hotels and experiences, feel free to like or subscribe. It will definitely help me make more of these videos, and it's also a huge passion of mine, so thank you so much for watching.